Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Vacuum S12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue with the Xiaomi Vacuum S12, where users report that their device struggles to move. This problem can arise due to a blockage in the wheels or a malfunctioning motor. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage or make your vacuum completely unusable. To get started with the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement wheel unit, and some tweezers. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the base of the vacuum. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base plate off. Here, you can see the wheels and the motor assembly. The common culprit is usually the wheel mechanism, which can get jammed or worn out. To locate the faulty component, inspect the wheels for any debris or damage. If you notice any blockages, clear them away. If the wheels appear intact but the vacuum still struggles, it's likely the wheel unit needs replacing. To remove it, carefully disconnect any cables connected to the wheels. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the wheel assembly. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components while doing this. Once the old unit is out, take your new wheel component and insert it in the same position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, making sure they are secure. Now, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Place the base plate back onto the body and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them just enough to hold the plate in place. Over-tightening can cause damage. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your vacuum and test it to ensure it moves smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the wheels and check for any blockages in the motor area. Additionally, ensure your vacuum is used on suitable surfaces to avoid unnecessary strain on the wheels. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.